How to replace the wearable items on a Lightspeed Zulu 3 headset. There are three main items that we're going to replace: the ear seals, the head pad, and the mic muff. These are very easy to replace on the Zulu 3. To replace an ear seal, I can just pull it out. And you'll notice there's this plastic ridge that fits into the headset. I can simply replace that with a new ear seal. These ear seals will work on either side, so you don't have to get it right. And then you just push it into place. I can do the same thing with the other side. Simply pull it out and replace. The head pad is very similar. There's small clips that hold it in. And you'll hear that clip back into place. And finally, the mic muff is held on by these two little spurs. So just pull that off. And put a fresh one on. Now we've replaced all three components to the Zulu 3. Most people will replace their ear seals more often than the other two components. Keeping these fresh will keep your headset more comfortable and also more quiet than a headset that's been worn for a few years without changing these out.